In the past, when people didn't make machines, they used they used pipes to bring water from wells. Do you know wells, students? Do you know the meaning
No.
of well? All right. So the first thing we learned, irrigation was in the irrigation means giving water to plants, bringing water.
Hello.
Hello, teacher. I am Omar Mustafa.
Hello, teacher. I am Mustafa Hani.
Hello, teacher. I am Omar Mustafa.
Hello,
Welcome,
teacher.
Omar Mustafa.
Hani.
Welcome, Mustafa. Yani, don't. There's no need to say your name. I know your name. Thank you very much.
Hello, teacher.
Welcome. So, irrigation means giving water to plants. How can the farmers do this? They use pumps. Do you remember pumps?
Yes, we remember.
Yes.
These are pumps. Look here.
No.
Yes,
These are pumps. Take the water from one place and put it in another place. And these are pipes. Pipes is a metal tube in which the water travels. Back to our lesson. To move water from rivers or wells to the fields. Ancient Egyptian used irrigation in the past. People still need it today. Irrigation have it changed. Okay, just I want you to know from here, giving water to plants is called irrigation. Who can tell me what is the meaning of giving water to plants? What is the word?
irrigation.
Irrigation. What is the word, students?
Irrigation.
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 This was in the past.
Irrigation.
In the past, you take a
Irrigation.
lot of water. In the past, you take a lot of water and give it to plants. But this changed. Why? Because now we have technology. We changed irrigation. What happened to change irrigation? We have this kind: drip, flood, and spray. Different ways to give water to plants. The first one is flood irrigation. What is the meaning of flood irrigation? Flood irrigation means you cover the whole plants with water. You put too much water on the land. Do you think that flood irrigation save water? Do you think that flood irrigation
I
save
think
water?
yes.
No,
No. No.
because you cover the land with water. That's why they call it
No.
flood. They call it flood
No.
because you cover the land with water.
Okay.
Because this wastes a lot of water, the scientist made another system. Another system. What is this system?
Radio.
Spray water. Spray water. Look here at this picture. Look here at this picture. This is spray water. You put water like spray over the plants. You put water like spray over the plants. So we learned irrigation, it means giving water to the plants. We learned flood irrigation means cover the plants with water. We learned spray water, it means giving some puffs of water to the plant. But this is also bad. Why? Because it wastes a lot of water. After this, there is another kind of water. What is it? Drip irrigation. Repeat, the students. Drip irrigation.
Drip irrigation.
Look at this
Drip
picture.
irrigation.
Look at this picture. Can you see this drop of water? Can you see this drop of water?
Yes.
Let me
Yes.
around it.
Yes.
Yes.
Here is
Yes.
a drop of water. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Another drop is here.
Yes.
In this kind of irrigation,
see it.
students, in this kind of irrigation, we give the plant only one
Yes.
drop of water after another. The plant drinks water drop by drop, drop by drop. The drop comes from the pipe. This is the pipe. Can you see the pipe?
I can.
This is the pipe here. Can you see it?
Yes.
In this pipe, there is a hole. In this pipe, there is what? A hole.
A hole.
All.
From the hole, one drop comes out. From the hole, one drop of water comes out. The drop goes to the plant. The plant drinks only drop by drop. This saves a lot of water. This saves a lot of water. And this also saves water because there is not much evaporation, because there is not much water, only drop of water and the plant take it. Again, students, irrigation means giving water to plants. In the past, we used the flood irrigation. This means cover the land with water, and this wastes a lot of water. After flood irrigation, we have spray water like this. You spray the water over the plants. This also wastes a lot of water because of evaporation and because the plant doesn't want all of this water. After this, we have drip irrigation. A pipe with a hole, a drop comes from the hole one after another. After this, what happened? After this, we have hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming. Look at this picture. This is hydroponic farming. What happens in hydroponic farming? Uses only water. It uses only water. These are the plants. Under the plants, there is no land. There is no land. There is no land. There is only water. There is only water. But the whole place is covered. Look, there's cover here. Can you see the roof? Can you see the ceiling? This covers the place because they don't want evaporation of water. This is the modern way of irrigating plants. This uses less water than traditional farming. Now, students, let's make summary. I will ask you and you answer. What is the meaning of giving water to plants?
Irrigation.
Irrigation. And what is the
Teacher, this discovery.
No, this is connected us.
We finished discover.
And what is the meaning of covering the plants with water?
Flood irrigation.
Excellent.
Flood.
And what is the meaning of spraying water over plants?
Spray water.
And what is the meaning of giving the plants only drop of water after another?
Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation.
Excellent. And what is the meaning of giving the plants only water without land? It is called hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming.
What is hydroponic fun? What's hydroponic farming? Mister,
In
what is
hydroponic farming, you don't put the plant on the land. You give them water only. You don't need land. Let me show you something about that. Look at these pictures. These are plants. Look here in this picture. These are
Yes.
plants. Are they on the land?
Yes.
Are
Yes.
these are these plants on the land?
Yes, it's a plant.
Teacher,
This is
grass. This
there's a man.
grass.
There's a man standing here. Can you see him?
The plant is
Okay.
This grass.
Okay. Let's look at this picture. Are the plants on the stand or on the ground?
Land.
Are they on the stand or on the ground?
On the stand.
This is called the hydroponic farming. In this farming, they give the plants only water. They give them only water. They don't give them a land because the land wastes water. They give the plant water, but in this water they put the nutrients that the plant needs. In the water, they put the nutrients that the plant needs. This is how to save water. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
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 There are
Yes. You can see.
pipes here. In the pipes, water moves and they plant plants on these pipes. The
This
plant
grass.
drinks water
No
only.
plant.
The plants drinks water only. They don't put it on the
Teacher.
soil. Yes.
This grass. No plant.
Thank you very much. This girl, thank you very much. All right. This is called the hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming. They don't use land. They use only water. They don't use land. They use only water. Now back to our lesson. We have some questions here. Read and answer. Where do farmers get water from? Irrigation. Muhammad Hilmi. Muhammad Hilmi.
Yes.
Question number 1. He is asking about the place. Where do farmers get water?
Wells.
I mean, what?
Wells.
Wells, that's right. What else? Students, wells means a deep hole has water. Wells mean a deep hole has water. Thank you, Muhammad
I
Hilmi.
didn't
Ahmed Hilmi.
understand.
What?
Yes.
I don't understand.
You don't understand well?
I don't understand well.
Well, okay. You know hole? Hole. You know what is the meaning of hole?
Yes, I know.
You know hole with water?
Yes, I know.
You know deep hole has water?
No, I don't.
You know what is the meaning of deep?
No. No.
All right. Don't worry about it. This is a hole. Can you see the hole?
Yes, I can see it.
Can you see this point inside the hole?
Yes, I can.
This is water, and this is the hole. Because the water is far away in the hole, we call it deep. Okay?
Okay.
If we wanted to take this water out, we use this.
Now I understand.
Now, what?
Now I understand.
You get it? Did you get it?
Yes, I get it. Yes, I get it.
Thank you very much. So, Muhammad Hilmi told us that we get water from wells. Ahmed Hilmi, what else?
Canals.
Again, please.
Canals. Canals. Canals.
Canals. But they make canals.
Yes.
They make canals. We want something natural, which has the water, like wells and rivers. Wells and river. Thank you. Yusuf Khalid. Yusuf Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
What can farmers use to move water out of rivers or wells?
Water.
Yes, I know they can use water, but water is in the river now, Yusuf, okay? Water is in the river, right?
You're right.
How can we take the water out from the river and give it to the plants?
Crops.
What?
Crops.
Crops? Crops means all of the plants that we eat. This is the meaning.
think the crop.
We build something. Do you remember? We build something on the river to make the water.
Rainfall.
What?
Rainfall.
He asking you something the people can use. The people can't use rain. They
Mister,
build
do you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
I can hear you.
I don't know.
Thank you, Yusuf. We will find the answer. Omar Kamal,
Yes.
what can farmers use to move water out from the river or well?
Pump.
Pump. That's right. They use a machine called the pump. This machine takes the water out from the river and put it in the land. Number 3. What is
Teacher and the canal.
what?
Pumps and the canal.
Again, please.
Pumps and the canal.
Canal. Pumps and canal.
Yes, I will put only one example because of time. Number 3. What is the problem with modern irrigation? Omar Izzat.
Yeah.
Modern irrigation. What is the problem about that? What is the problem when we use flood irrigation, spray irrigation? What happens to the water? We save the water or waste the water?
What?
If we put a lot of water to plants, if we put a lot of water in the to plants, what will happen to water? We will lose a lot of water or we will save water?
Wait, mister.
What?
Wait.
Waste water. So the problem here, wasting water. Ibrahim Az. Ibrahim Az. Yasin Ahmed. Yasin Ahmed.
Yes.
Can you think of places for hydroponic farming? You will find the answer here. Read this.
Farming.
Read this.
Pages.
What?
Fridge.
Niches. The question.
I
The question. Can you think of of places for hydroponic farming? This text is about
found.
hydroponic farming.
Farm.
We need to find the suitable place. Suitable place. Look, you will find the answer here. Read this line. A modern
A mother
technology.
teach
Technology.
measuring the
Technology.
that
Repeat after
teach
me, please.
measuring
Repeat after me. Technology.
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 Technology. Lo,
Technology.
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 Okay. Technology that is useful in dry countries. Dry countries.
Dry countries.
And he asking me about a place for hydroponic farming. So what will be the answer? Wet country or dry country?
Technology. Dry country.
Thank you. This exercise, we want to check the correct sentence.
Wait, don't erase.
I will not. Yasin Khalid,
Yes.
number one, hydroponic farming is good for countries that have too much water. Is this true or false?
True.
We said here when we asked about places for hydroponic farms,
False.
we said dry countries. So, and here he is asking me if hydroponic farming is good for countries that have too much water. So the answer will be no or false. Qusay,
Yes.
hydroponic farming uses special soil. Is this true? Does, does hydroponic farming use soil or only water?
Only what?
So number two, true or false?
False.
False. Omar Mustafa,
Yes.
there are minerals in the water in a hydroponic farming. Minerals mean
False.
Nutrients. So they give the
True.
plant
True.
water with nutrients.
The
Is this true or false? True, that's right.
first I want to answer.
We take turns. Muhammad Bas. Muhammad Bas.
Yes.
A hydroponic farm doesn't have to be on farming land.
Two.
True.
To go to the bathroom.
What?
I want to go to the bathroom.
Go. This is the last lesson. Last lesson in Connect Plus.
We do it or no?
What?
We do it or no?
We have to. We have to do it.
Mister, this lesson 3 and unit 6 or lesson 4?
Just don't worry about that. Just look at the paper, look at the page and listen. Don't worry about the number. This is on page 84. Okay?
Okay.
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 We just learn here how people move the water in the past and how they move water at present. Repeat after me. Water wheel.
Water wheel.
Waterway.
Water wheel.
Waterway.
Water wheel is a machine used to move water. Water wheel is a machine that is used to move water. This is an old machine. An old machine. Did you see water wheel before?
No.
Machine what?
These are pictures of water wheel. Did you see something like this before?
No.
Yes. No.
Look,
What is this?
this is a wheel that moves water from
I can see.
well to the land.
Yes. Yes.
What makes
Yeah.
this wheel move? Animals. Animals walk in circles to make this wheel move, like this picture. The animal moves in a circle. While the animal is moving, the water wheel is moving. It takes the water out from the well and give it to the land.
Can you click it?
What?
Can you click it?
I can see it. So
Well, I can click this for you.
I can see this.
All right? And look at this picture. The water wheel takes the water from the well here, put it in the canal, and the canal goes to the land. Is it clear enough now?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
This is water wheel. This is old. It is not new. This is old.
Can
This
I
is
go to the
another.
bathroom?
What?
I
Can I go
can.
to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go. This is another way for moving the water. It is called aqueduct. Repeat. Aqueduct. Repeat, please.
Aqueduct.
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 Let me show you how does aqueduct.
Master, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Can. Step.
Yes. look at this video, students. Can you see? Can you see the
Yes.
video?
Yes.
Yes, you can
Yes,
see.
yes.
You can see it. You can see it.
Yes.
This is aqueduct. It looks like rooms, and these rooms have doors. If you close the door,
Door.
the water, yes, these rooms they have doors. If you close the door, the water goes up. And when you open, the water moves fast from high place to low place. Watch. Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you see what happened when you opened the door?
Yes.
Yes.
The water,
Yes.
The door is open or closed?
now it is open. Look, the water moves fast from the high place to low place. Look here, it is high here, but it is low.
Very fast.
Okay, very fast.
No, it's not very. Not very much.
It's very fast.
Stop, please.
Look, how are they opening the doors?
Mister, what do you make?
What is this?
Just watch. Watch. Look at this part. Look at the water wheel.
There's animals.
Can you watch how the water moves the water wheel? How can the animals make the water wheel move? And when the water wheel moves, the water moves from the well to the land?
Yes.
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 Mister, what is this?
This is water wheel.
Water wheel.
Yes.
Water
Water
wheel.
wheel.
Water wheel. It is a wheel but doesn't move. It just moves the water. How can we make the water wheel move? We use animals. Animal you move in a circle, the water wheel move in a circle, takes the water from the well and put it in the land. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
Mister, and what is the cow? And what is the cow?
Again, please.
And what is the cow?
Cow.
Yes.
The cow is used to move.
Yes.
When the cow moves, the water wheels move.
To be moved.
Without the cow, the water wheel will move.
Will not move without cow.
The cow is moving now. The water wheel is moving. Look here, water is going up. All right?
Yes.
Here, students, the water wheel, and here's the aqueduct. And what is this, students? This one. High Dam. High Dam. High Dam is in Egypt.
Hi there.
It is in Egypt. It controls the water. It stops the water in the river. This is the Nile. This is the Nile. The Nile is a river in Egypt. In the past, look at the picture. The water floods. The flood covers the land. But now, at present, we have the high dam. If the water is too much, it comes here, behind the dam. It doesn't flood. It doesn't kill people. Is it clear for you, students?
Yes.
Yes, I see.
Okay.
Think.
Yes.
Because the water moves fast
بقول له أي حاجة.
in the dam, it gives
لسه
us
كده يوزن.
electricity. It gives us what? Electricity. We call it hydroelectric power. Why we call it hydro? Hydro is the first part of hydrogen because water makes the machine move, and when the machine
لسه
moves,
كان
it gives us
يوزن.
electricity. Now look at the last thing here. It is called desalination. Repeat.
Desalination.
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 Desalination means taking the salt out from the water to make it fresh water. Like here in Saudi Arabia, we drink water from the sea, but they made desalination. They took the salt out of water. Now we want to answer this question. See, Mazen,
Yes, yes.
water wheels use water in lakes. True or false? This is water wheel method.
True.
Yes, thank you. That's true.
أنكر الله.
Malik Assam,
Allah.
Mister. Yes, Mister.
water wheels can help with irrigation.
What?
It means the farmers use water wheel to give
Yes,
water
yes,
to the
yes.
land. This is true.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Amr Magdi, an aqueduct moves the water from high place to low place. Is this true? Do you
True.
remember?
No, false.
Do you remember the aqueduct when they opened the door? The water moves fast from high to low.
Yes.
So number 3 is telling you that aqueduct takes the water from high place to low place. Is this true or false?
True.
True. Excellent. Yusuf Khalid.
Okay, yes, teacher.
Mister, finish me.
What?
Finish me.
Oh, and who are you?
Muhammad Best.
محمد بس.
Muhammad Bey. Job, baby. Are learning.
He said, now we can get finished.
Silence, please, everyone. Yusuf Khalid. The water in aqueduct runs in a canal under a wall. Is this true?
Yes.
Look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is the aqueduct. Is this a canal?
No.
Is this a wall?
No.
Let's read it. The water runs from a well into